an awesome day out here in Fort Walton Beach at MarineMax. I'm Jay Calcutt, and today I'm going to be showing you an awesome addition to our lot. We just listed this today. It's fresh to the market. This is a 2005 225 Tournament by Grady-White. It's very similar to the 235, which is the newer model of it. It does have the dual console design with all of the fishing features as well. It's a great boat for the area. You can go cruising with the family, go to the restaurants, and even catch you some fish on the way back. So here topside, the first thing you'll notice is how well this has been kept. I mean, when you look at the upholstery and there's no cracking, there's no stitching issues, it's clean. That really tells you about how the owner takes care of the overall boat. The owner has done the services that need to be done, and it has had a fresh 100-hour service as well. The 250 Yamaha here will power this boat perfectly, get you up on plane quick, get you to where you need to go quickly, and overall this is just a great performing boat. Also, this does have upgraded electronics from the year that it actually started. That is a newer Garmin screen over there. It does have the Garmin VHF with AIS, as well as the creme de la creme would be the iPilot. That is perfect for if you're in the bay and you want to go ahead and spot lock. You don't have to anchor and pull your anchor every time you want to check a spot out. So here we are at the bow. This is going to be a great place to just lay out, get some sun while you're relaxing on Crab Island or Spectre Island, or just cruising down the Sound. In true Grady fashion, these are all insulated boxes, so they can be used as fish boxes or coolers for your refreshments. This boat has everything you need to enjoy the area. If you'd like to come check this out, take it for a ride, I'm Jay. Swing by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and let's get you out on the water.